Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's kitchen. Today I'll show you how I made my chicken soup. Don't forget guys to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, remember all of my recipes are listed in the description box. Go ahead and try them out. Let me know what you think. Also remember you can find me on Facebook, Callie J's Kitchen. The link will be in the description box. Go ahead and follow me over there and let me know what you think about my recipes. So here I have some corn. I also have my chicken, and this is already clean and washed. And I also have my cock soup mix, and this is spicy. I also have some margarine. Here I have some pimento seeds, Irish potatoes, yellow yam, and I also have my pumpkin, my carrot, my sweet peppers, my thyme, my onion, and I also have garlic. And I'm gonna use a little bit of parsley flakes and also some island spice all-purpose seasoning. And I also have my pot that I'm going to use to scald my chicken in before cooking. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and season my chicken first before I start cooking my soup. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add some all-purpose seasoning. I'm also going to add some parsley flakes. And I'm just going to combine this together, and I'm just going to boil my chicken for 5 minutes because you want to remove some of the fat from the chicken before you start cooking your soup. And I'm going to show you what it looks like after 5 minutes. So I'm just going to put this to boil for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like once the fat is being removed. Alright guys, so while my chicken is being boiled for 5 minutes, I am just gonna go ahead and slice up my pumpkin, my carrot, my bell peppers, my onion and scallion for the soup. So as you can see, I'm just slicing up the pumpkin and I'm not slicing it too big. Now guys, you could also cook your pumpkin with the skin on. But I decided that no, I don't want to cook the pumpkin with the skin on because the skin was a little bit too rough. So I decided to remove it. So guys, once again, remember to follow me on Facebook, Callie J's Kitchen. The link will be in the description box. If you're watching this video again, guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like, share, and comment. Tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to Callie J's Kitchen. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and slice up my carrot. Now guys, for my soup, I like to taste the crunchiness in the carrot. So you know we're not going to overcook our carrot because you want to taste that crunchiness when you're eating your carrot. And guys, also you can see that I'm not cutting up my carrot too small. I'm giving them some big chop. I also have my garlic and I'm just going to crush the garlic. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and slice up my onion. And guys, as you can see, I am not slicing up my onion too small either. So now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and slice up my scallion and my bell peppers. Now guys, for the thyme, I'm not going to slice up the thyme. I'm going to leave the thyme as it is. And guys, you know when you add your thyme to your soup, it gives it a nice flavor. So now I'm just slicing up the scallion for the soup. Once again, guys, remember to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel, Kali J's Kitchen. Remember, we're on our way to 2K subscribers. And thank you again, guys, for all the love. Thank you for all the support that you have showed me. I really appreciate it. So now what I'm going to do, I am just going to go ahead and peel my Irish potato. Now guys, I have my Irish potatoes and my yam. So what I'm gonna do, I am just gonna go ahead and add some water and vinegar to a pan. And after I finish peeling my Irish potato and my yam, I'm just gonna add it to the vinegar and the water. The reason for this is you don't want your yam or your Irish potato to change color. You could also use lime juice, but seeing that I don't have any lime juice, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the vinegar and the water. So now it's time to go ahead and peel my yam. Now guys, they always say that yellow yams scratch. So I went ahead and get a piece of hand towel so that when I remove the skin, I can hold the yam. Alright guys, so this is what my Irish potatoes and my yam looks like after I finish removing the skin. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead and slice up my yam. And guys, you can see the color of the yam starts to change because it has been exposed to the air. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it to the vinegar and the water so that the color won't change anymore. So now it's time to go ahead and slice up my Irish potatoes. And I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just going to add it to the vinegar and the water. And this is what it looks like, guys, while it's in the vinegar and the water. So I'm just going to leave it there until I'm ready for it. So guys, after 5 minutes, this is what my chicken looks like. So I'm just going to remove that water and add some fresh water. Then I'm going to begin cooking my soup. So this is what it looks like after I remove the excess fat. So I just add some water. And I also add back the chicken, and I'm just going to add the pumpkin to the chicken and the water. And I'm just going to leave this to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like and what I'm going to do after that. So guys, after 15 to 20 minutes, this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to allow this to boil, and then I'm going to show you what I do after. So guys, now it's time to go ahead and add the corn. So guys, as you know, the corn take a little while to cook. So I'm just going to add the corn with the pumpkin and the chicken, and I'm just going to allow this to cook for another 15 to 20 minutes, then I'm gonna add the other ingredients. So guys, what I also did, I also went in and add a little bit more water to the corn, the chicken, and the pumpkin. And I'm just gonna allow this to cook, then I'm gonna add the other ingredients. So guys, after 15 to 20 minutes, this is what my carrot, my pumpkin, and my chicken looks like. As you can see, the color coming along. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the carrot. I'm also gonna go ahead and add the Irish potatoes and also the yam. And guys, you see, the color didn't change much. So you want to just give that a mix. And also guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add some dumplings to my soup. Because you know you can't make soup without dumplings. So I'm just gonna make some regular dumplings and also a few little spinners. Guys, you see that color? And I'm not even add the cock soup mix as yet. So imagine when I add the cock soup mix. Wow. Once again, guys, remember to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to Kali J's Kitchen. And remember, all of my recipes are listed in the description box. You can go ahead and try them out and let me know what you think. Also, remember to follow me on Facebook, Kali J's Kitchen. The link will be in the description box. So guys, now that I'm finished adding the dumplings, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna allow this to cook for another 5 minutes and then I'll get back to you. So guys, after 5 minutes, it's time to go ahead and start seasoning my soup pot. So what I did just now, I just went ahead and add the pimento seeds or the pimento berries. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add my vegetables. And as you can see, I add the thyme, the scallion, the onion. I also add the bell peppers and the Scotch bonnet peppers. Now I'm also gonna go ahead and add some of the all-purpose seasoning, even though I had seasoned the chicken before. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some parsley flakes. Also add the margarine. And guys, while you're doing this, you want to taste. And as you can see, I don't add the cock soup as yet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the cock soup. And remember, the cock soup also consists of salt. So I'm just gonna combine everything together. And guys, you see that? You see the color coming along? Wow. And guys, remember to taste, because sometimes it might need a little bit of salt, or it might need some more cock soup mix. So you have to go ahead and add another cock soup, or you need add some more butter. So I'm just tasting. So I'm just gonna leave this to cook for another 15 minutes and show you the final product. And guys, this is the final product of my chicken soup. Don't forget guys to subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget guys, all of my recipes are listed in the description box. And guys, remember to follow me on Facebook, Carly J's Kitchen. Thank you again guys for watching, and see you in the next video.